To begin, launch the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. On your profile page, tap the Share Profile button just below your profile picture and bio. A screen will appear with a QR code for your profile. Swipe left or right on the QR code screen to generate your Instagram profile card. You will then see your contact card, which includes your username, profile name, and the link from your bio. Now tap the download button to save the profile card to your device. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to save either the QR code or the profile info. Choose your preferred option. After saving, you can share the profile card directly from your gallery via messaging apps, email, or social media. From the available options, you can share your contact card through various social media apps, copy the link to paste it elsewhere, or even add it to your story. And that's how you can quickly create a personalized profile card to share with others on Instagram.